Do you want to learn how to remove a header in Excel in a simple and fast way? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it. First, it's important to know that the header is not shown during normal editing. It only appears in Print Preview or when you print the file. Headers are often used for extra information, like the page number, the date, the file name, or other details you want to show on every printed page. For example, in this spreadsheet, I have a header that says Year 2026. But as you can see, it does not show while I'm editing the sheet. Now, if I go to the File tab and then Print, you can see the header at the top of the page. To remove it, go to the Insert tab, then click Text. After that, choose Header and Foot. Excel will open the header edit mode. Now select the text inside the header box and delete it. After that, go to the View tab and in the Workbook View option, choose Normal to go back to the regular sheet view. To make sure the header was removed, go again to File tab and Print. And now you can see that the header is no longer there. As you can see, removing a header in Excel is very easy. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more simple Excel tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.